Okay, so day 2. So this video is for April 1st. Not April Fools though. We need to do some math. Yay! So here's what we have today. Perimeter of composite figures. Composite figures means kind of goofy shapes, all different shapes all put together into one. Okay, so I have a couple drawn up here very similar to what you will see online on your assignment today. So sometimes what problems in the book will do and problems that your teacher will do right now is they'll give you more information than you actually need. Okay? For this problem, if I'm talking about perimeter is distance around. I don't need everything here because this thing is this. I don't need that. Okay, I don't need that for perimeter. All I need to do for this guy is just add these things all the way up around. I mean, you could do this in your head or you could do it on a calculator. 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The perimeter of this thing is 13 meters, and that's all there is to it. Okay, very simple because there's nothing I needed to figure out on this one. Some of them, you'll see you have kind of sides that are missing. For this one over here, it kind of looks like a little boat or something. We're pretending that this is a semicircle. Okay, I know my drawing is not awesome, but we're pretending that this is half of a circle, similar to what we worked on yesterday. Now, yesterday, we had to find the perimeter all the way around the semicircle, which was this and this. Now, for this shape, to find the perimeter of the shape, I don't necessarily need this for the perimeter because it's on the inside, but I need this to find this half circumference. So the first thing I'm going to do is find a half circumference. So I'm going to take pi times diameter divided by 2. This is what we did yesterday. And if I do pi times diameter divided by 2, so I'm going to use that pi key again on my calculator, which is right here if you recall. Pi times 6, and I can do it all at once, divided by 2. And I get 9.4. So what that tells me is this. That's not my answer. That tells me that this distance, the rounded distance, is 9.4 from there to there. So now that I have this 9.4, I'll try to make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Now that I have the 9.4, I don't need this anymore. All that I needed to is take 5, 5, and 9.4 and add them all up. And 5 plus 5 is 10, so we've got 9.4 plus the 10, which gives us 19.4, and we have centimeters. So this would be our answer. And we are still talking about perimeter, so not area, so not square centimeters, just centimeters, just a distance. So as you do these problems on your assignment, note that some of the sides might be missing. You have to figure out how to get them before you add them all up. And once you do that, make sure you're not using anything in the middle when you're adding up your perimeter. Let me know if you have any questions.